everyone, welcome back to my channel Yarn by Mother Teacher. Today we will learn phonic sounds of first 7 alphabets. So let's start. A apple. A ant. I repeat, A apple. A ant. B bat. B banana. I repeat, B bat. B ball. C cat. C cup. I repeat, C cat. C cup. D dog. D drum. I repeat, D dog. D drum. E egg. E elephant. I repeat, E egg. E elephant. F for fish. F for fan. I repeat, F for fish. F for fan. G goat. G grass. I repeat, G goat. G grass. Tan-tan-tan! I hope you enjoy learning the sounds of these alphabets. Keep on learning. Click on the screen to continue with the next 7 alphabets. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Till then, bye-bye.